Remember when homes looked like sleek museums? Back then, style mattered more than comfort. Now, we crave warmth and relaxation the moment we walk in. Plush fabrics, curved lines, and earthy colors are in. Homes are less about perfection, more about comfort. The era of cold modernism is behind us. Why pure minimalism fell short. Soft minimalism is a fresh twist on the classic less is more approach. Instead of empty spaces and only the basics, it's about making every piece count. It's minimal, but with heart. Imagine walking into a room where there's space to breathe, but every cushion, chair, and lamp feels handpicked for comfort and beauty. Pure minimalism, popular a few years ago, often meant stripping everything down until a room felt almost empty. It promised calm, but sometimes it left us feeling unsettled or even lonely. Those neat, bare spaces were easy to clean, but hard to love. There was no softness, no sense of welcome. Soft minimalism learned from those mistakes. It keeps the clutter out, but brings in warmth, personality, and touchable textures. The goal: a home that's simple, but never cold. It's about comfort, not deprivation. Less stuff, but more feeling. In 2026, soft minimalism is everywhere, from Pinterest boards to home tours. It's the perfect balance for people who want style and serenity. This trend isn't just about how your house looks, it's about how it makes you feel every single day. Why does soft minimalism instantly feel so welcoming? The answer is sensory depth. That means a room isn't just nice to look at, it's lovely to live in, touch, and even listen to. It appeals to all your senses, not just your eyes. When you walk into a soft minimalist home, you can feel the difference right away. There's warmth under your feet from a wool rug. Your hand glides over a smooth oak table. The fabrics invite you to sit, relax, and stay a while. Even the way sound moves through the space is different. Softer, less echoey, more peaceful. This sensory richness is what makes soft minimalism stand out. Instead of feeling empty, rooms feel alive and inviting. There's texture everywhere you look. Nubby wool, slubby linen, curved wood, and plush boucle. These elements bring life, comfort, and even a touch of luxury to everyday living. In 2026, designers know it's not enough for a home to look good on Instagram. It has to feel good too. Sensory depth is the new must-have in every room. Materials are the heart of soft minimalism. Think about how nice it feels to sink into a boucle armchair. A little nubby, super soft, almost like a teddy bear. Or how comforting it is to wrap yourself in a linen throw that gets softer with every wash. These are the touches that turn a basic room into a sanctuary. Curved oak furniture is another star of 2026. Oak has a gentle, natural warmth that instantly makes a space feel grounded. When you shape it with soft, rounded edges, think arched headboards or oval tables, it helps break up all the hard, straight lines left over from the modernist years. Raw, tactile fabrics are everywhere now. Curtains in loose weave linen, cushions in chunky wool, and throws that make you want to snuggle up with a good book. These materials don't just look relaxed. They invite you to slow down and enjoy your space. By layering these tactile elements, your home begins to feel like a gentle embrace. The materials you choose can actually lift your mood. No fancy tech required. That's the true magic of soft minimalism. Too much stuff can feel messy, but too little can feel cold. The secret to soft minimalism is clever layering. You want just enough softness and shape to make a room feel like it's hugging you without any extra clutter. Start with your biggest piece. Maybe a plush sofa in soft boucle or linen. Then add a few cushions in different textures. One velvet, one chunky knit, maybe one in smooth cotton. Throw in a curved lamp or a rounded coffee table to soften all the right angles. Every layer adds comfort, but the space still feels open and airy. This hugging effect comes from mixing shapes too. Instead of only boxy furniture, bring in a circular rug or an arched mirror. Curves are friendly and inviting. They guide the eye gently around the room, making everything feel relaxed and calm. Remember, the goal isn't to pile up stuff. It's to build up comfort, one cozy layer at a time. And when you get it right, you'll feel it, not just see it. For years, pure white was the go-to for modern homes. It looked crisp, but often felt icy. In 2026, the story is different. Now we're seeing soft, warm colors everywhere. Palettes inspired by oat, limestone, sand, and clay. These hues are still neutral, so they're versatile and timeless. But they have a gentle warmth that makes any space feel softer and more inviting. Oatmeal walls, limestone sofas, and sandy-hued bedding all help create a relaxed, cocooning vibe. Warm neutrals are easy on the eyes. They reflect light beautifully, so rooms feel bright but never harsh. They also provide the perfect backdrop for textured materials, making every fabric and grain of wood stand out. If you want your home to feel calm and welcoming, start with your colors. Swap out those stark whites for softer, earthier shades. You'll be amazed at how much cozier your space will feel. One of the biggest myths about minimalism is that you have to choose between a big, open space and a cozy, lived-in one. In 2026, soft minimalism proves you can have both. If you layer your colors and textures just right, monochrome layering is the trick. Instead of lots of contrasting colors, use different shades of the same warm neutral throughout a room. For example, mix pale oat walls with deeper taupe cushions, a sand-colored rug, and a limestone lamp base. Each layer adds depth, making the room feel rich and interesting without overwhelming the senses. This approach makes even small rooms feel bigger. Because the colors flow seamlessly, there's no visual clutter. But thanks to all those textures, boucle, linen, soft leather, and natural wood, the room still feels incredibly cozy. Monochrome layering also makes it easy to swap things around as the seasons change. It's flexible, timeless, and always soothing. Lighting is essential in soft minimalism. Instead of harsh overhead bulbs, think about soft pools of light from table lamps, wall sconces, and even candles. Layer your lighting so different corners of the room can glow gently, creating different moods throughout the day. Negative space, those empty areas between furniture and decor, is just as important as the things you put in. Don't be afraid to leave some walls bare, or to keep a corner empty except for a beautiful chair or plant. This breathing room lets each piece shine and helps your mind and body relax. When you combine warm, layered lighting with well-chosen negative space, your home becomes a true retreat. There's space to think, move, and rest. The whole room feels intentional, not accidental. In 2026, more people are realizing that comfort isn't just about what you add, but also what you leave out. Good design is as much about the pauses as the notes. Ready to bring soft minimalism into your own home? Start with how you want your space to feel: calm, cozy, and welcoming. Curate every piece with comfort in mind. If something doesn't make you smile or relax, let it go. Here's a quick checklist to get you started. Choose a warm, neutral palette. Think oat, limestone, or clay. Invest in tactile materials: boucle, linen, wool, and curved oak. Layer textures and shapes for a hugging effect. Use negative space and soft lighting to create calm. Select one hero piece per room zone, like a curved sofa or artisanal lamp. Keep only things that feel good and serve a purpose. Prioritize how the room feels, not just how it looks. The real success of a home in 2026 isn't about impressing guests. It's about feeling safe, happy, and nurtured every time you step inside. With soft minimalism, your home can be your favorite place in the world.